Hi, I'm Taz Monopoly, cosmetic chemist and trainer here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a natural rejuvenating night mask. Now let's get into the lab. Okay, so I have my water phase here. To this I'm going to be adding some Peppo water by Biorli. This is made from zucchini. So this is a really cool natural water alternative. It's also an upcycled ingredient, which is really cool. Now this water also has some in vitro studies for firming and also whitening for the skin. So overall, really cool ingredient to add there for marketing. Now to this, I'm going to be making a slurry with my xanthan gum. Now always ensure you have a really nice smooth slurry that's lump free before adding it to your water phase. This is going to avoid fish eyes. Now I'm just going to use high shear to get this gel hydrating. You can see it's already starting to turn into a nice homogeneous thick gel. Okay, so I'm just going to pop that one on heat. Now while that's heating, I'm going to add together my oil phase. So I've got some Montanov 68 here. To this, I'm also going to add a little bit of stearic acid. This is going to form a really nice viscous cream, which is perfect for a night mask. Now I am going to be adding some Dermaphil Sensolve. This is going to help make my cream stay light, but also moisturizing. I'm also going to add in some CCT. This is a medium filling triglyceride. And I'm also going to add in some camellia tea oil for some marketing and for some story. Now I'm using a good balance here of a light feeling ester, a triglyceride and a plant oil. This is going to give a really nice, good balanced skin feel. Okay, now I'm just going to add my oil phase on heat. Now as you can see, a nice beautiful white emulsion has started to form here, so I'm going to remove this off the heat. So we're just going to keep stirring to cool this down, and then we're going to add our heat sensitive materials. Okay, so now I'm going to add my actives and also my preservative. So my star active here is the Regenerite by Lucas Meyer. So this is a really good active for regenerating the skin and making it look more healthier and revitalized in the morning. So this is a fast acting active, so results show in as little as one night, which is fantastic. It restores the skin barrier, it improves skin hydration, firmness and elasticity, and it also reduces the appearance of skin fatigue, wrinkles and skin roughness. So you can see below there's been some clinical studies done. You can see these before and after photos here. So the black and white ones are showing the reduction in the dark circles underneath the eyes, which is a pretty big difference. And then the before and after photos on the right are showing the reducedness in the wrinkles of the crow's feet area, and showing an overall improvement in skin roughness and elasticity as well. You can also see there has been a good increase as well in hydration or transepidermal water loss. So you can see the skin's more hydrated. So a really good multifunctional active there, and perfect for a night mask formula. Now I'm going to be adding my preservative. I've just chosen GeoGuard ECT. This is a good naturally derived one. Now because I've added some natural plant oils, I'm going to be adding my antioxidant. Now next I'm going to be adding this Hydro Blue extract from Biorli as well. This is actually made from spirulina, which is giving it that beautiful blue color. So I'm going to add this to my formula. This is going to give it a nice calming blue color, which is perfect for a nighttime product. So it's a beautiful light blue color. The more you add, obviously, the darker or deeper it will become. So this is just giving it a beautiful light shade of blue. Right, so now I'm just going to adjust my pH. Now, full viscosity will not be achieved until the next day, so we're going to cover this and leave it overnight. Okay, so this is what my cream is looking like the next day. As you can see, it's still a really nice, beautiful light shade of blue. And that feels absolutely beautiful on the skin. It's rubbing in really well. It's very nice and smooth and soft. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to make a natural rejuvenating night mask. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on all our videos. Happy formulating!